Not to be dramatic, but this might just be the best deal in the neighborhood. And if you blink, you might miss it. Welcome to 6532 94th Street Northeast, set in the Cedar Grove neighborhood of the vibrant Kellogg Marsh in Marysville. You are just minutes from Ebey Waterfront Park, where tranquil walking trails and waterfront views await. Shopaholics rejoice. The Seattle premium outlets are just a short drive away. And for nightlife and dining, Tulalip Resort and Casino has you covered. A property with this kind of potential in a prime neighborhood doesn't hang around too long, so don't wait and schedule your tour today.